If you are a freelancer, agency owner, or digital marketer, one of the most exciting way to grow your income is by reselling software as a service. But many people get confused about pricing packages and how to sell GoHighLevel as their own software. In this video, I will explain GoHighLevel's SaaS pricing in a very simple way and show you how you can turn it into your own recurring income business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and show you how to use tools to save time and earn more. If you like helpful guides and tutorial like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. And by using the link, you can get the 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel. You can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. So check the link from description. If there are any discount, that will be applied automatically when you use it through that link. Now let's get into the main part of the video, GoHighLevel SaaS pricing and how to resell it as your own software. GoHighLevel offers a SaaS mode which allow you to create your own branded software platform. In other words, you can rebrand GoHighLevel with your logo, colors, and domain and sell it to your clients as if it were your own product. First, let's understand the pricing. GoHighLevel has a base monthly cost for your account. Then when you turn on the SaaS mode, you can create accounts for your clients. You can decide the price for your clients. For example, if your monthly GoHighLevel plan cost $97, you could charge your client for $97, $147, or even the $297 per month, depending on the feature you include. This margin is where your profit comes from. The system is flexible, so you can offer different packages like basic access, full access, or the premium features. The next thing is setting up your reseller account. Once your SaaS mode is activated, you can create sub-accounts for each client. These accounts are fully functional with the GoHighLevel all tools like the CRM, email, SMS automation, landing pages, funnels, and many more. Your client thinks they are using your software, but it's actually powered by GoHighLevel behind the scenes. You don't need to build any software or manage the hosting or worry about the updates. GoHighLevel handles all of that. You can also customize branding for your clients. You can add your logo, change the color to match your brand, and even you can use the custom domain. When your clients log in, it feels like your own software. It feels like your own software, not someone else's platform. This adds the professionalism and makes your SaaS business more attractive to potential clients. One important tip is that package your service smartly. Don't just give the clients the software. Offer a small service along with it, like setting up the automation, building their first funnel, or training them to use the system. This adds value and allow you to charge more. For example, your basic package can include software access and your premium package can include setup support or marketing templates. Another tip is focus on niches. GoHighLevel works well for local business, agencies, fitness studios, real estate agents, or any service-based business. If you focus on one niche, you can create ready-made funnels, automation sequences, and templates that make onboarding clients fast and easy. This also helps you to scale faster because you can sell the same system to multiple businesses in that niche. Lastly, keep the track of your profit and pricing structure. Remember, you pay the basic GoHighLevel cost and the difference between what you charge clients and your cost, that is your profit. You can grow your recurring income by adding more clients or creating higher tier packages. Over time, this can become a stable monthly revenue stream. In summary, GoHighLevel SaaS pricing is flexible and reselling it as your own software is powerful for freelancers, agencies, or marketers. You pay a base monthly cost, create client accounts with full features, brand it as your own, and add services if you like, and charge recurring monthly fees. It's an easy way to turn your expertise into predictable income. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand GoHighLevel SaaS pricing and reselling, give it a like and share it with others who want to start a SaaS business. Don't forget to use the link from description to get started with any available offers that will apply automatically, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.